Hey everyone, we've got some great news. We've finally released the official Age Skaters online store at ageskaters.com. We've got an assortment of t-shirts in a range of colors and styles, all featuring the Age Skater logo either on the front, back, and even in black and white to resemble the old "Skateboarding is not a crime" bumper stickers. We also have a couple of different hoodie styles, a pullover, and even a zip-up. So head on over to ageskaters.com and check out the merch. Any purchase helps cover the continued cost of making these videos. Thanks. This week we started off at Vets, but then the rain hit, and so we moved to Substance Skate Park in Brooklyn. And this footage of Dustin was taken by Walter. Unfortunately, that's all that we've got. Walter also got a shot of Stevie, and I really appreciate him doing that.
Yeah, Steve!
You can actually see the moisture on the ground. At the last minute, we decided to go to Brooklyn, to Substance Skate Park, and here's Guanbo. So with Guanbo not knowing how to ride transitions, he wanted to learn and started off very slowly. And as you'll see here, he's progressed pretty quickly. To be clear, the last time Guanbo came down something fakey was a small bank, and he ended up twisting his ankle. So this progress is actually pretty crazy. So now that he's comfortable getting up on the transition, he's now working on pumping down into the transition on the way back. And you'll note that he's also pumping up slightly. Next, he wanted to work on his ollies. And he's been wanting to learn ollies while rolling, so we thought we'd give it a shot. While at Substance, we met Armani. Apparently, he's never dropped in on this ramp before.
Hopefully in a year, one more year.
So why not go big? Note how quickly he's improving.
Really. Do the back 50, you're good. You're dying. For sure. Alright, big time. So, can you do like a really small...
Derrick is next, and he actually works here. And I'm up last. It's a little tough to follow Derrick, though.
We don't know what you're saying.
So that wraps it up for this weekend. The next session is going to be in 2 weeks on May 18th at noon at Veterans Park. There's a possibility for a session this Saturday. Check Instagram for more details.